Hello friends, this is Dr. S.M. Azad, Surendra Mohan Azad, faculty for History Optional and General Studies sections part I used to teach. So I am going to start very shortly the History Optional paper over there. Before beginning of the History Optional paper, there are myths around this paper that this is very extensive, this is very exhaustive, and the syllabi is very much lengthy. So it is not truth. It is absolutely not truth. So this is the most dynamic paper, and since the inception of UPSC examination, the history has a special credential and a specific place over there. Considering the things like that, so the way it is exhaustive, the way it is lengthy, the way it is interpreted, actually the syllabi of the history is made in a very clear-cut dynamics over there. So in this regard, a brief information I am putting before you is what? So history comprises all the 4 sections of the UPSC. Paper 1, if you talk about what? The paper 1, then it is what? Paper 2, then it is what? Paper 3, and then it is what? It is paper 4. So all the dynamics of the 4 sections, paper 1, 2, 3 and paper 4, it comprises a dominating part of history over there. It is not like that only the optional paper, but the part of what? The general studies section is also, you can say, very much associated, or what we can say, attached with that. And as you know it very well, that history, yani UPSC section is not normally all the section, all the paper 1, 2, 3, 4 for the mains point of view and the GS point of view. If you talk about the PT, the section of again 1, 2, 3, 4 history, polity, economy, then what is the part? Society, science and tech, and many more things are also with that too. Everything is interlinked with history. So history is what we can say, it is the mother of all social sciences over there. And the way it looks like that, exhaustive, it is connected with all the sections part of that, from paper 1 to paper 4. All the sections are related. What we can say, as you know it, it is what? Interdisciplinary. Paper 1 if you talk about, paper 2 if you talk about, paper 3 if you talk about. So all the sections are what? These are interdisciplinary part of that. And if you talk about paper 1, it is history. And if you talk about paper 2, this is what we can do, the section of what we can say the section of what? Polity. And another one is the part of what we can say economy, and other part of that, and up to the section of what we can say ethics. So history is related with all the ethics, polity, economy, even the section of what we can say environment and ecology, again the historical facets are with that. So this way you should have to proceed over there, and very coming I am shortly, and I'll give you time to time the tricks and the tips regarding the history, how to go for the approach of writing, how to understand the dynamics of the history. Every topic has a different dynamics. You should have to be very much alert in this regard. You will have to forgive and for the conditions of what? A conventional pattern. You should have to go with the dynamics pattern and interconnectivity and the interlinked part of that. Okay, fine, thank you. See you again with another part, another tips over there.